Okay, the dance we're going to do is a traditional dance from the Hamma and Benna from South West Ethiopia. The Hamma and Benna. They are very Nilotic tribe, so they kind of go back and forth. And they are known for the bull jumping. So when the boys are going to turn into men, they bring the bulls and the boys have to jump over the bulls. That's for the boys going to become men. But we are going to do a dance. Sorry, gentlemen, if you're watching, we are going to do a dance that is dance for the women, for the girls who are going to become women. Now, in Africa, there are some ethnic groups that practice genital mutilation. But this particular ethnic group, they don't do that. So what they do, they actually take razor blades and then they, depending on the year, for let's say today, this is 2022, they will have a certain mark. All the girls who are getting like menstruation, they first go to their aunties and then they're taught how to become women. Then on a particular day, when they're going to get the initiation, there's a person who goes and then gives them certain marks and then they become a clan. If it's, so all the girls who are in 2021, you'll see them with a certain mark and they go, oh yeah, you are initiated on that particular year. And if it's 2022 or 2023, it will be a different sign. So, and that makes them to become a particular clan. So this dance, again, I'll repeat, comes from the Hamma and the Benna from it's Southwest Ethiopia, and they speak the language Oromo. That's the language that they speak. So I hope you enjoy it. So what we're going to do, we are going to skip the ritual. And this dance is danced, we're going to skip the ritual where the girls are being initiated. We're just going to do the dance in itself. So what they do is that the girls are in the middle, they've just been initiated, and all the women in the village, aunties and far relatives who are aunties who are women, they come to dance this dance. And the girls are right in the middle of the circle and they do this dance to celebrate that they are now women.